Hello, my dear children. How are you? Hope all of you are doing good. As all of you know that our half-yearly examination will start from the next week. So this week we will do the revision. First, we will do the revision from pathway. Okay. In half-yearly portion from pathway, we have 3 chapters. One is the peacock and the fox. The next is the talkative tortoise, and the next is the foolish donkey. Okay. Now we will do the revision through the worksheet. Here I am going to share the worksheet for pathway. So this is the worksheet of pathway. Now I will explain whatever are there in the worksheet and how to write. First question is write the word meanings. Here I gave some word. All of you need to write the meaning of those words in this blank space. And what are those words? The words are beautiful, stream, crush, perhaps, burden. Beautiful, stream, crush, perhaps, burden. So first one I will solve for you. And what is the meaning of the word beautiful? The meaning of the word beautiful is pretty. The meaning of the word beautiful is pretty. So now I am going to write the answer here. How to write word pretty? P-R-E-T-T-Y. Pretty. So the meaning of the word beautiful is pretty. For rest of the word, all of you will write the answer in the blank space at your home. Number two is write the opposites of the word. Here I gave some word. All of you will write the opposites of those words in this blank space. And the words are high, friend, strong, near, shallow, village. The words are high, friend, strong, near, shallow, and village. The first one is high. So now I'm going to write the answer of the opposite of high. What is the opposite of the word high? Yes, low. Now I'm going to write the answer here. Low. High, low. Now the next one. The next question is write the missing letter. You need to write the missing letter in this blank space to make a meaningful word. So what are those? We'll just check once. The first one is S-O-U-T-O-N. S-O-U-T-O-N. So now I'm going to write the missing letter here. So what will come here in this first blank? S-O, then we need to write which letter? L. Now S-O-L-U-T. The next letter, what will be the next letter? Here after T, which letter will come? Yes, I. I will come here. So what is the word now? The word is solution. S-O-L-U-T-I-O-N. Solution. Okay. The rest of I will read for you. C-R-I-O-S. C-R-I-O-S. The next one is M-I-S-A-K-. And then the next one is A-S-O-R-E-D. The next is P-A-C-O-C-. And the last is U R dash R I dash E. So for those, you need to write what? The missing letter to make a meaningful word. Now I will move towards the question number 4. The question number 4 is make sentence. Here I gave some word. All of you need to write the sentence by those words. And the words are idea, angry, forest, and journey. Idea, angry, forest, journey. Now I will write the sentence with the first word, that is idea. Here I will write a good idea came into my mind. A good idea came into my mind. Here I write a sentence by the word idea. Okay. For rest of the words, all of you will write the sentence with those words. Now I will move towards the question number 5, and that is who said to whom. The question number 5 is who said to whom. First, all of you need to read the sentence properly, and then you will write who said this to whom. The first one is, friends, what is this all about? Friends, what is this all about? Now we need to write the answer here. Okay. So what will be the answer? Friends, what is this all about? Who said this? To whom? Yes. The tortoise asked this to the geese. Now I am going to write the answer here. The tortoise asked this to the geese. Okay. The tortoise asked this to the geese. What is the next question? The next question is number B. But perhaps the hounds didn't hear about the meeting. But perhaps the hounds didn't hear about the meeting. Number C. It's a good idea. We will do as you say. It's a good idea. We will do as you say. Okay. For all those questions, all of you will write who said this to whom. Now question number 6. What is the question number 6? Answer the following questions. Here I gave some questions. All of you need to write the answer for those questions. Just check what is the first question. The first is, where did geese live? The first question is, where did geese live? So, where did the geese live? The geese lived near a tree. Yes. So now I am going to write the answer here. The geese lived near a river. Okay. The geese lived near a river. Number B. Why did the three friends want to live? Why did the three friends want to live? Number C. How did the merchant carry the salt? How did the merchant carry the salt? Now number D. What did the donkey do in the middle of the stream? What did the donkey do in the middle of the stream? Now number E. Where was the peacock sitting? Where was the peacock sitting? Now number F. Who was more clever in the story, the peacock and the fox? Who was more clever in the story, the peacock and the fox? Now I will move towards the question number 7. The question number 7 is, come, let us go to the king and ask him. Come, let us go to the king and ask him. From where is this line taken? You need to write from where is this line taken. The title of the story. Okay. So here I am going to write the answer. So where is this line taken? The line is taken from which story? Yes, the line is taken from The Peacock and the Fox. This line is taken from The Peacock and the Fox. So I write the answer here. This line is taken from The Peacock and the Fox. Now the next one, number D. They flew over hills, valleys, villages, forests, and finally came over a town. They flew over hills, valleys, villages, forests, and finally came over a town. Here also you need to write from where is this line taken. Okay. Here also you will write the title of the story. Now our worksheet is finished here. So all of you will write the answer in this practice worksheet. Then you will check your answers with the answer key that already I had uploaded in the Google Classroom. Okay, dear. So that's it for today. Best of luck for your half-yearly exam. Study well at your home. Stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.